Activist Sonam Wangchuk, the real-life Rancho from Three Idiots, was detained by the Delhi police along with over 100 protesters. The reason? They had marched from Leh to Delhi to draw attention to the demands of the people of Ladakh. Demands which they say the Modi government has ignored, even though they have raised them over and over again. So what are these demands? First, they want statehood for Ladakh. When the BJP government abrogated Article 370 in 2019, the erstwhile state Jammu and Kashmir was divided into two union territories. While J&K became a UT with its own legislature like Delhi, Ladakh wasn't given its own assembly. This means that Ladakhis aren't governed by the elected representatives, but instead by a lieutenant governor who is appointed by the centre. Without a legislative assembly, the locals say the decisions that affect their land and livelihoods are being taken without consulting them. Take, for example, a massive renewable energy project that's coming up in Ladakh. The only thing the government has revealed about this project is that it'll take up an area twice the size of Chandigarh. Even Scroll's RTI queries about this project went unanswered. Ladakhis fear that such projects will lead to their land being given away to large industrialists, and they'll be left helpless with no elected leaders to raise their issues. Now, their second demand is protection for Ladakh under the 6th schedule of the Constitution, which protects tribal areas by giving them their own autonomous councils. Over 90% of Ladakh's population is tribal. The region has had a hill council, but as Sonam Wangchuk told Scroll, this council is controlled by the BJP and its members were failing to even do their job of representing the people.